Hi everyone, I am Vaishnavi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Applications, at Business Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. We are going to see about the API security, introduction to API security, the importance that API provides critical access to valuable and protected data and assets, making their security crucial to prevent unauthorized access and potential breaches. Threats, due to their programmatic nature and accessibility over the public cloud, APIs are exposed to various types of attacks, necessitating robust security measures. The key aspects of API security, the first one is authentication. Authentication is the process of uniquely determining the values of identity of a client. App as a client, the role apps function as clients that makes API calls to access enterprise assets, data, and services. The devices, these apps can operate on the internet, computers, smartphones, tablets, and other electronic devices. The distributions, apps are typically distributed through platforms like Apple's App Store, Google Play, or the Windows Phone Store. The app key, unique identifier. Each app is identified by a unique UUID known as the app key, which serves as an identity for the app making API calls. Management. The API management platform issues, tracks, and revokes API keys. Other names. The app key is also known as an API key, app ID, or client ID. The integration with identity management. The purpose. Authentication services may require integration with identity management systems to control user access to applications and other services. The functions ensures that only authorized users and apps can access sensitivity data services. Authorization definition. Authorization controls the level of access granted to an app making an API call. The auth access token use when an app makes an API call. It usually includes an auth access taken in the HTTP headers. Token generation. This token is generated during the auth handshake and is associated with the specific scopes that determine the accessible APIs. Token expiry and refresh. Expiration. Each access token has a set of expiry duration after which it becomes invalid. Automatic renewal. App can automatically generate a new access token using a refresh token which exchanges for a new access token with a renewed validity period, enhancing the user experience by avoiding frequent re-authentication. Identity mediation definition. The process of integrating different identity management systems to ensure seamless authentication and authorization across platforms. Common protocols are commonly used for API security. SAML and WS security may be used by backend services for securing communications. Integration capability. The API management platform must integrate with backend IDM platforms to perform identity mediation, such as converting auth tokens to SAML assertions. Data privacy, sensitive data exposure. The API offers often expose sensitive data that should only to be visible to intended recipients. Encryption, sensitive data in transit should be encrypted to protect it from interception. We are going to see the encryption and masking, digital certificates, use of digital certificates for encryption and support for SSL/TLS to secure data in transit. Data masking, Sensitive data should be masked in logs and audit files to prevent unauthorized access. Additional measures, payload encryption. For some cases, specific element within payload may require additional encryption. The key and certificate management capability. The API management platform should provide robust management of key and certificates required for ensuring data privacy and secure communications. Functions ensures that all encryption decryption processes are handled securely and efficiently. DOS protection threat exposure. By exposing valuable data and asset outside enterprise firewalls, APIs increase the attack's surface. DOS attacks. Hackers may attempt to overwhelm backend systems by sending large volumes of traffic through APIs. Protection detection. The API management platform should detect and mitigate DOS attacks to prevent service disruption. Threat detection, malicious content, vulnerabilities. Public APIs are susceptible to content-based attacks such as malformed XML or JSON malicious scripts or SQL injection. Private APIs, even private and enterprise APIs can be targets of such attacks. Platform capabilities, identification. The API management platform should identify and protect against malformed request formats and malicious content within payload. Summary of this topic. The comprehensive security. The API security is multi-factor involving authentication, authorization, identity mediation, data privacy, key and certificate management, DOS protection, and threat detection. Platform. The API management platform plays a critical role in implementing these security measures to ensure the safe and efficient operation of APIs. Continual monitoring, ongoing monitoring and updates of the security protocols to keep with the emerging threats and vulnerabilities. Thank you.